Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter understanding elementary shapes. Till now we discussed about the line segment, how to measure the line segment, how to compare the line segments, how to measure an angle, something about the clock. Now today firstly we will discuss about the directions. Directions see. In the direction see, this is north, south, east, west. Just opposite, north to south, east to west. When you rotate from here 90 degree north to 90 degree, then you will move towards east. That is east, south, west, north, this one. So between north and east, if you see properly, there are 90 degree angle. This 90 degree you can show like this. Then east to south also 90 degree. This one 90, this one also 90. It means between east and west, when you move from east to west, then you will cover 180 degree rotation. And if you move north to south, and also you will cover 180 degree rotation. Now see, between these directions there are 4 more directions. Between north and east, there is direction northeast. Between east and south, there is a direction southeast. This one southwest, and this one northwest. Or if you see properly, this is just between the north and east. It means it makes an angle 45 degree between this. So how much rotation will be had when you move northeast to south? Northeast to south, then how much rotation will be held here? See, northeast is here, south is here. If you see, this is 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. It means northeast to south there are a rotation of 135 degree. If we want to find out the rotation between northwest and northeast, northwest and northeast, this is northwest and this one is northeast. See this one, 45 plus 45, this is a 90 degree. So this time we will find out the measure of an angle between the direction. Okay, midway between there are 4 sub directions. These are called northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. These are called the sub directions. Direction east, west, north, south, and sub direction northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. It may be noted while naming the direction north or south is written first and east and west afterwards. It means we are giving the name, then you can note it here that we are taking north and south at a first subscription and east west second one. Now see again about the clock. Degree, minutes and seconds. Now your next topic is degree, minute and seconds. See, what is the relation between them? I already said that in hours, total how many are? 12 hours. When this complete 12 hours, then it makes one revolution, that is equal to 360 degree. It means in 1 hour 360 by 12 is equal to 30 degree. In 1 hour Rn, we are talking about the Rn. Rn make 30 degree. Now see one thing. In Rn, we want to find out degree per minute. By the Rn, we want to find out degree per minute. Rn 1 मिनट में कितना डिग्री बनाती है? See, 1 hour means 60 minutes. And one thing, see that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If we are showing by the 1 dash, that is called a minute. 1 dash. And this one seconds, 2 dash. So this is a comparison things. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. It means 60 minute में 1 degree का angle बन रहा है. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. We all know that in 1 minute how many seconds? 60 seconds. In 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. Now see, 60 minutes. Now this one, 1 hour, it makes a degree of 30 degree. 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, it makes a degree of 30 degree. It means in 1 minute, Rn in 1 minute makes a degree of 30 by 60, that is equal to 1 by 2, or we can say 0.5 degree. So in 1 hour, Rn degree per minute, we can say it makes degree 0.5 degree per minute. 1 मिनट में कितनी डिग्री बनाती है? 0.5 degree. Okay, now see the next about the minute hand. Minute hand. Minute, we know that total how many minutes in a circle? 60 minutes, 60 part. So 60 minutes when completed, then it take a revolution of 360 degree. Then in 1 minute, it takes a revolution of 360 upon 60, that is equal to 6 degree per minute. So we can say minute hand makes an angle 0.5 degree, 6 degree per minute. Our hand makes an angle 0.5 degree per minute. We want to compare, then minute hand make an angle 6 degree per minute, and Rn makes an angle 0.5 degree per minute. So this one result we will use in our questions. Now see, your question is, through what angle does the minute hand of clock turn in 45 minutes? Through what angle does the minute hand of clock turn in 45 minutes, the hour end in 30 minutes. Through what angle does the minute hand of a clock turn in 45 minutes? Now see, we already say that minute hand make 6 degree per minute, means in 1 minute it makes an angle of 6 degree. Then how many minutes are given here? 45 minutes. And in 45 minutes, what we will do? 6 into 45. That will make 270 degree. Or this will measurement is given by in clockwise direction. It means from this 270 is here. So, or anti-clockwise, or you can say reflex angle. What is the reflex angle? 360 degree minus given angle. Then you can find out the reflex angle of it. Or you can say this one angle becomes in counterclockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, second, R end also. The R end in 30 minutes. R end, we know that it makes 1/2 degree per minute. It means in 1 minute, it will make half degree. Then in 30 minutes, it will make 1/2 into 30, that is equal to 15 degree. So, from this information, we can calculate these answers. See the next one. What rotation is needed to turn? Now, second question is about the direction. What rotation is needed to turn from north to southwest, from north to southwest in a clockwise direction? In clockwise direction. See, firstly make direction north, south, east, west. We need north to southwest, southwest between this. We know that this angle is equal to 45 degree. This one is 180 degree. Then what is the angle? 180 plus 45, 225 degree in clockwise direction. So, that is why we take this one clockwise. If we want to find the answer in anti-clockwise, then we will take this one 90 plus 45, that is 135, or you can find out like this also, 360 degree minus 225 degree. Then you will get the same answer. If we need in the counterclockwise direction, then okay. Now see the next question. Find the angles between hands of a clock at 7 o'clock. Your question is 7 o'clock, then what is the angle? 12, 3, 6, 9, then maybe 7 here. This one 7 o'clock, then what is the angle? You can find out like this, or you can find out like this. There is a one formula we can find out for the theta r. For the theta r means r में कितना डिग्री एंगल बनाएगा, उसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला है, दैट इज 0.5 डिग्री, क्योंकि उसमें हाफ डिग्री का रोटेशन होता है, मल्टीप्लाई 60 इंटू मिनट प्लस 60 into h plus m. This type we find out, we can find out our answer directly. See, 0.5 degree because we can take half degree, multiply 60 into, in hours only 7 hour, minute didn't given to you, we can't take, half into 6 7s are 420 is equal to 210 degree. But this 210 degree is in a clockwise direction. If we want to take a anti-clockwise direction, directly the angle between these, then what we will do? We will do that reflex angle 360 minus 20, that is equal to 150 degree. You can count also. Between 7 to 12, there are how many hours? 5 hours. In 1 hour it makes 30 degree, then in 5 hours it will make 150 degree. There is a gap of in every hour. 7, 8, 9, 30, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. So you can use this formula or you can do directly. Now the second is given to you 3:30 o'clock. At 3:30 o'clock. So try to use angle between minute hand. We want to find out angle between minute hand and RN. If we are taking directly 3 o'clock, 3:30 how? When your hour end, minute end, minute hand directly at 6 and hour end something about between 3 and 4, not exactly on 3, and we want to find out about this angle. What is the angle between minute hand and hour end? See, theta hour end, theta hour end कितना डिग्री एंगल बनाती है? This all measured by this 12 in clockwise direction. R and how much? That is 1 by 2 into 60 multiplied by 3 plus minute 30. This is the value of H. There is a formula theta R is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 60 into H plus M. Then 60 into R how many? 3. Minute 30. Now count it, calculate it. That is 180 plus 30, 210. It become 105 degree. It means इसका जो 12 o'clock से situation है that is equal to 105 degree. ये यहाँ से 105 degree बना रही है in clockwise direction. Similarly find out theta minute. Theta minute क्या होता है? That is equal to 6 degree into minute. Then 6 multiplied by 30 is equal to 180 degree. It means इस 12 o'clock से इस पोजीशन पे जो एंगल बना है काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज that is 180 degree. But what we find out? We want to find out the angle between minute hand and hour hand. Then how to find out? This complete 180 degree, this 105 degree. Then angle between minute hand and hour hand is equal to, we can say, theta minute minus theta hour, that is 180 minus 105 is equal to 75 degree. So we can use this formula and find out exactly the measurement of an angle around the clock. Okay. Now see, in the next lecture we will discuss about your exercise 11A. Try to complete these all concepts, and more questions you can find out by your net. So try to solve these type of problems. Thank you.